What's up, guys? So I had this ridiculous idea for a meme card game. I'm gonna use this new model called Dream 4. I saw everyone talking about it and it was already on Lovart after like an hour. At this point, the AI gets meme context. It can sense Disaster Girl's intentions. By the way, I will add replay links to the description of this video, so you can recreate this whole process at your own pace if you want. Let's make some more. I want at least 10. That's the first one that's a bit too abstract, so let's get a variation that's more about questioning everything. Nice. We can't forget about these two classics. Interesting choice with the Nordic mythology. That seems like something he would do, and I didn't even prompt for that, but let's make it something more generic. That one is fine, I guess. I'm saving the best one for last. Here we go, let's get a few variations. Okay, great, but something is missing. It needs a holographic boost. Now we're talking. The thing about being able to create all the artwork with this much detail is you can just get a template on any game engine and actually have this running. And this is the craziest part. You can even convert these cards to 3D models. I would probably do it without the text, then add it later. But look at the textures and how it handles reflections. Check this one out. It's too easy. I might actually have to make this game now. Let's create some product showcases, starting with Nano Banana. It feels like it can interpret prompts better, to be honest. Dream 4 looks nicer sometimes, but Nano just gets what you actually mean more often.
Oh my god, it's so cute!
I love having access to both, running them at the same time so I can instantly compare results. I already saw how cool it would look on all the different devices. Now is release day, and I need some ads to run. I'm thinking ASMR campaign. Let's send them to space.
You can play Meme Legends anywhere.
Anywhere?
Yes, anywhere.
What's this?
Is this phone cake? I can't believe it.
Okay, you get the point. Having Flux, Nano Banana, Dream, VO3, Kling 2.1, and even 3D, no platform switching. When new models drop, they're there within hours, all in one place. Honestly, a game changer. Some of these models I didn't even know existed. Like in that first Doge scene. I tried a bunch of video models, and the agent randomly used Dance. Turned out better than even VO3. It's getting crazy. In like 20 minutes we can generate high quality assets. Traditional route, weeks and thousands of dollars. So this started as an experiment, and ended with something I genuinely want to play. One person, one canvas, multiple AI models, like 20 minutes. The barrier between idea and execution, gone. Thank you to Lovart AI for sponsoring this video, and thanks for watching. See you on the next one.